Let's learn about sets. Now, sets, these sets confuses us. Assuming this is our set, assuming this is set A, this is set B, this is set C. Now, we are labeling now. This one is already set A only. This one is B only. This is C only. Now, this one is A intersection B only. Remember, A intersection B is the whole of this set. If it's the whole of this set, so this smaller one is A intersection B only. So this one is A intersection C only. This one is B intersection C. Now, learners have a tendency whereby they ask you set A intersection B and you put it here. So this one is A intersection B intersection C. So if they ask A intersection B, put it up here. This is A intersection B. This one is B intersection C. This one is A intersection C. Let's look at one more example for more clarification. So, Langton Academic Solution International, we are learning about set probability sets. Now look at that example. In order to establish the competitive of radio station KL and M, the broadcasting industry in Uganda, the findings from the study indicate that 190 listen to radio K, 205 listen to radio station L, and 260 listen to radio station M. 15 people listen to all radio stations, 55 listen to radio K and L, 100 listen to radio K only, 135 relay to radio M. Only 180 people listen to no radio stations, claiming that they don't have a radio. So, based on finding the side of the sample, that's the question that we are going to attempt. Now listen, the question says we have radio stations K, L and M. So we have radio K, L and M. We have K and M. Then they said indicate 190 reading radio K, meaning radio K they are 190. Then they said 260 listen to radio station M, meaning M they are 260. Then 260 radio K and 260 radio listen to radio M. 205 listen to L, meaning radio L at 205. I think you are seeing my presentation. Then they are saying 15 people listen to all radio stations. 15, these people both, 15 go here. They listen to all radio stations. Then they are saying 155 55 listen to radio K and L. 55 K and L, meaning we come back here K L. This is K L, but they have said 55 listen to radio K and L. But the whole set of this, it is the K intersection L. But so meaning we are going to have our 55 up here. So if 55 listen to radio K and L, the 15 at the one, we have already 15. So when you get 55 minus 15, you get a 40. 55 minus 15, you get what? A 40. Let's proceed with our question. Now we are saying that 55 listen to radio K and L, 100 listen to radio K only. K only, they go here. So those 100 listen to K only. Then, and lastly, 135 listen radio station M. 135 listen to M only. So M only, M is here, M only is 135. Listen to radio M only. Then they said 180 people listen to no radio stations. So you come here, you can put it outside the set. 180 people listen to no radio Now this is our, now we've presented our set. What are they asking? They are asking determine the size of the what? Of the sample. So how do you determine the size of the sample? Meaning they want the universal. For the size of the sample, they want the universal. For the universal, what do you do? But now you are seeing our values. We can, the universal, they want the whole total. From now this set we want, they can tell you, we can get this one. Because when we get 100 plus 40, which is 140. So 140 plus 15, that is 155. 190 minus 155, I think it is 45. How am I doing it? I'm getting 100 plus 40 plus 15 plus 15. So 15. Then you get 190 minus the answer. You get 35. So this answer is 30 what? 35. Now you are seeing it has helped you to get this. Now you have this one as 260. So when you add this and less this, you'll get this one. So you have, for this case, you have 335 plus 115 plus 135, you get 185, you get 260 minus the answer, you get 75. So I think now you've obtained this one, it can help you to get what? To get this one. Still we are going to say 40 plus 15 plus 75 equals, so you get 205 minus the answer, it is still 70 what? 5. So if it's still 75, so you can get the size of the what? The size of the sample is the whole thing. You add everything to come up with the size of the sample, including the intersection. So when we add 100, but now to save time, the whole of this set is 190. When you add 100 plus 40 plus 35 plus 15, you get 190. Therefore, you'll get 190 plus 75 plus 75 plus 135 plus 180. You end up getting 655. So our size of the sample is 655 what? 655 listeners. 655 what? Listeners. So then part B, then they are saying determine the number of people who listen to at least 2 means 2 and above. 2 and above, they are these ones. So at least 2. You have 40 plus 15 plus 35 plus 75. So let's see what's the answer. 40 plus 15 plus 35 plus 75. You get 165. So at least 2, it is here. 2 or more. If it was at most 2, you are going to exclude this one and take the rest. Thanks for listening. Langton Academic Solution International. You can inbox me on, or you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, TikTok, the name of Dumba Langton.